Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share many useful tips and tricks for life. In today's video, I'm going to invent a really great and useful gadget. I'll be repurposing a broken bicycle pump and using some of its components to create something completely new. We'll have to use an angle grinder to cut it out. Then we'll take this part. It looks like a motorcycle shock absorber, right? We use an iron rod to hammer it open. It's pretty easy, right? Once you've disassembled it, you'll see these two circles. Then separate them again. Just take one of them. Now we need to prepare 2 bundles of wood. Using a cutting machine, cut them in half, making sure to get a clean, straight line. Be very careful when using the cutting machine. On these 2 pieces of wood, use a drill to drill 4 screw holes, using the drill bit I'm using, because this drill bit can be used for countersunk screws, helping to hide the screw heads, which looks very neat. Prepare to cut 2 small wooden strips. These 2 strips will help to securely fasten the 2 planks together. Now that we have 2 small pieces of wood, let's start screwing them in. Once we've finished screwing in the screws, we have a large, flat piece of wood, which looks very nice, doesn't it? In this section, we'll assemble some small components, using screws to make the mounting points for the camshaft. Next, attach this orange flat piece to the appropriately sized wooden package we've prepared, screwing it securely in place, as this will be very beneficial later on. Dung 2 goyas letter 1 EFD D stroke letter 1 EC3 lam chan cho mi letter 1 EBF and GG letter 1 ED7. The letter 1 EF and letter 1 ED1 and G TH letter 1 EDT CH letter 1 EFC CH letter 1 EF and HEN. Prepare 4 short pieces of wood. These 4 pieces will be used as legs, so they need to be securely fastened with screws. All the force will be concentrated on these 4 wooden legs. So, it's almost finished. Have you guessed what I'm going to do next? I think you haven't, right? Keep watching, it's going to be very interesting. I hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you all very much.